Hello guys, welcome to another brand new Forex trading video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will apply an interesting trade in US dollar versus Swiss franc from which you will learn a lot. My risk amount in this trade is around $3,500, which I have already calculated. So I am using proper risk management here. See you guys after applying all the trades. Guys, we have deposited $5,000 in this account. Currently we are incurring a loss of around $900. Let's see how much we can grow this account. You will get to see the entire price action strategy in this video, whose accuracy is very high. You will see the playlist of this strategy on the screen at the end of the video, from where you can watch more such videos for free. Now we start the technical analysis. Here I am taking the trend line first. We will connect this trend line to higher low points. All these points are acting as support. We have to draw this trend line perfectly because all the future analysis will be based on this trend line. Connect the second trend line with same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market has been following this trend channel for the last few hours, where the proper is following a strong uptrend creating higher high higher low points, due to which a very good opportunity for buying has been created here. Now we will create a strong support resistance level here. This will let us know the exact position of the market. For this I am using the rectangle tool. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level from where the market has repeatedly reversed at the same level. Here you can clearly see that the market first took resistance and later broke this level and made it a support, due to which a resistance become support pattern has been created here, which is a strong pattern of uptrend. This is a high probability pattern of a strong uptrend. Whenever the market creates such a pattern, the chances of the market moving up increase significantly. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we place stop loss and target point. Here my stop loss will be 6 pip below the strong reversal level and outside the trend channel. If the market gives a trend line breakout here, then we will exit this trade, and the target point will be 12 pip above, where the market will make a new higher high or go even higher. We will not close the trade midway until our stop loss or target is hit. Guys, our loss has increased from $900 to $2,200 here. We know how much our loss is going to be. I have used a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2 here. If we incur a loss, then loss is a part of this game. Guys, you must be able to see all the levels clearly. I have kept the analysis very simple here, so that you can understand it easily. If you follow the same strategy repeatedly, then you can soon become a profitable trader, because by following the same strategy you get to know the weaknesses and strengths of that strategy. A successful trader always applies the same strategy, which has made him a profitable trader. In this way you can also become a disciplined trader. See you guys after some time. Till then, enjoy the video.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.
Very nice, guys. The market has respected all our levels while I drew the levels here following the entire price action pattern. The market also followed the same levels. This was our high probability setup. Here, after applying our trade, the market moved straight towards our target. We get to see such moves only rarely, because the market moves forming complete price action patterns. Guys, our target point was at this level, which has just been hit. Currently the market is taking a downward pullback, because here the buyers are booking profits, due to which we might see a slight down move. Now I will draw the next level where the market can reverse in future. For this I am using rectangle tool. The market first took resistance at this level and later broke it and became support, due to which a resistance became support pattern has been created here again, which is a strong uptrend pattern. Here again buying opportunity can be created, hence we can apply trade on the same pattern again and again. As the market always repeats history, let us close the trade now. Guys, our profit is currently around $5,500. We had deposited $5,000 in this account, which has now grown to $11,638. This strategy is a high probability strategy through which you can generate good profit. You just have to be disciplined with this strategy. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.